Can you buy crypto with Monese? Let's break down your options. Ever scrolled through Twitter and felt a pang of FOMO, fear of missing out, as everyone seems to be raving about the latest crypto craze? You're not alone. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm, and with its potential for high returns, it's no surprise many are jumping on board. But before you dive headfirst into the crypto world, there's one crucial question: how do you actually buy it? If you're a Monese user in Nigeria, wondering if you can use your account to purchase crypto, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be dissecting everything you need to know about buying crypto with Monese. We'll explore the nitty-gritty of Monese functionalities, alternative solutions, and the ever-changing landscape of crypto regulations in Nigeria. So, buckle up and get ready to navigate the exciting world of crypto. Monese, a great everyday account, but not your crypto hub. Let's start by understanding what Monese offers. Monese is a fantastic financial management app that allows you to open a virtual Euro IBAN account, send and receive international transfers, and manage your finances on the go. It's a convenient tool for everyday banking needs. However, when it comes to cryptocurrency, Monese currently doesn't have a built-in feature to buy or sell crypto directly within the app. This might be a disappointment, but here's the good news: it doesn't mean you can't explore the crypto world as a Monese user. Exploring alternative avenues, crypto exchanges to the rescue. Since Monese doesn't facilitate crypto purchases directly, you'll need to look elsewhere. The solution lies in cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms dedicated to buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. There are numerous exchanges available globally, but for Nigerians looking for a reputable and local option, some popular choices include Binance, Bundle Africa, and Codex. Here's how it works. Choose your exchange, research and pick a crypto exchange that operates in Nigeria and caters to your needs. Consider factors like security, supported currencies, transaction fees, and ease of use. Link your Monese account. Most exchanges allow you to connect your bank account for deposits and withdrawals. You can link your Monese Euro IBAN account to fund your crypto purchases. Buy your crypto. Once your account is funded, you can browse the exchange's selection of cryptocurrencies and place an order to buy your desired coin or token. Understanding regulations, the Nigerian crypto landscape. The world of crypto is constantly evolving, and regulations are no exception. In Nigeria, the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, has issued guidelines cautioning citizens about the risks associated with cryptocurrencies. While the CBN doesn't explicitly ban crypto ownership, it has restricted banks from facilitating crypto transactions. This is why linking your Monese account, which operates under European regulations, might be a viable option for your crypto purchases. However, it's crucial to stay updated on any changes in Nigerian crypto regulations. Security matters, keeping your crypto safe. Before we wrap up, remember, security is paramount in the crypto world. Here are some essential tips to keep your hard-earned crypto safe. Choose a reputable exchange. Opt for established exchanges with robust security measures. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account by requiring a secondary login code. Store your crypto securely. Consider using a hardware wallet for offline storage of your crypto holdings. Be wary of scams. Never share your login credentials or private keys with anyone. With that said, thanks for watching. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and shouldn't be considered financial advice. Do your own research before making any investment decisions, and stay tuned for more content to navigate the exciting world of finance.